Thank you to my friends at the Academy of Canine Behavior. They showed me how to make this very simple flea spray for dogs. Now, this is a lemon rosemary flea spray, and it's used to protect your dog from fleas. If they already have an infestation, it's not going to kill the fleas. So this is just a protective measure, and it's a very safe protective measure. All you do, take a large lemon, cut it up really thin, in really thin rounds like that. Put it in a jar. So far, pretty easy, huh? Then you take some rosemary. You want to take the leaves off of the rosemary. This is fresh rosemary. And I'm going to chop it up, and I'm going to put it in that jar there. And the chopping is just to release the essential oils so that they get into the liquid easily. That's about all I need. And you put that in. Boop. And then you put in hot water to cover. And it steeps overnight, just like tea. Oh. Hey, Steve, can you get me a towel? I spilled some water. Thank you. Hey, your dad and Nora sold their house.
I know. She's in Dubai, and I don't think she's coming back.
So...
You're a really good daughter-in-law.
Thank you. Okay, so that steeps overnight, just like that. In the morning, you get your spray bottle and a funnel and a little strainer, and you just pour it off in there, and you have this beautiful, safe little flea spray. If you doubt me, look up some of those flea remedies and look at some of the ingredients in them. They're not very nice. You can Google it or whatever. And just spray your dog or spray your husband. I know.
That tastes good.
I know. It smells good.
Yeah.
It smells better than most people.